In this tutorial, we're going to walk you through how you can download and install texture packs in Minecraft 1.21.6. If this video guide helps you out, consider liking the video and subscribing for more Minecraft content. Texture packs, also known as resource packs, can completely change the visual style of Minecraft. Whether you're into realistic builds, medieval fantasy, or vibrant cartoons, there's a pack for everyone. Follow along for a step-by-step tutorial, and you'll have them installed in no time. Begin by exiting out of Minecraft if it's currently open, and yes, this does include the Minecraft launcher. And go ahead and open up any web browser. I'm going to use Chrome, but anything's going to work. If you already know what texture pack you want, you could search for it directly. Otherwise, head to curseforge.com, which is what I'm currently going to be using. Once you get on this site, go to the browse section and select Minecraft up at the top, and then hit browse all. And on this left hand side, you're going to want to look for sections that say resource packs. This should be down at the bottom of this section. Now from here, you can filter it to specific things. We're going to go ahead and try and find like a medieval style one, but you can choose whatever you want. Just make sure you select the game version to 1.21.6. Looks like this might be a medieval fantasy pack right here. So what I'm going to do is click on this one right here. You'll want to click on yours. And then from this section, find the files tab just like so. You're going to want to find the file for 1.21.6. Once you find the one for 1.21.6, click the three dots and then hit download file. You'll need to wait a few seconds for it to automatically download, and when it downloads, it's going to come right up here for you. You can repeat this process to download additional packs. For example, you could also get like a super realistic one. If you'd like, it's completely up to you. What you're going to want to do now is simply close out of this and go back to Minecraft, open it up. And it might take a few seconds to load right here, but once it does load, go ahead and make sure you're on the latest release of Minecraft, which is 1.21.6. Go ahead and hit play, and it's going to take you a few seconds to load in. Also, I know this wallpaper is kind of dumb. This fish looks like it has like lips. I don't know what's up with it. Once you get loaded into Minecraft, go ahead and join whatever world you would like. I'm just going to choose this one up at the top. You can also create a new one if you would like. And what you're going to want to do is simply hit the pause button just like so and go into options. From here, find the resource packs option and go ahead and click on it. And you're going to see in the available section different ones that you might have. Go ahead and open up pack folder and keep this open. Now you're going to want to go ahead and open up a new file explorer one just like so. Go to the downloads tab and find that new one that you did just download. Essentially go ahead and drag this one in just like so. It should look something like this when you have it done. Go ahead and close out of both of these. And as you can see, now that's going to be in here. Let me make this a little bit bigger so you can see it better. There we go. So this is the new one that I just put in there. Simply go ahead and click on this little arrow. It's going to move it over to the selected section. Go ahead and hit done, and Minecraft's going to reload with those new textures. Now, as you can see, the new textures have already been applied. If I hit done, just like so, back to game, I now have new textures, and it looks pretty cool. It's obviously like a lot darker, but it looks awesome. Yeah, that looks sick. I love me some good texture packs in Minecraft. But that's it. You've now successfully installed texture packs in Minecraft 1.21.6. This medieval texture pack completely changes the feel of the game. It looks so cool. And texture packs are just such a cool, unique way to change up the style of a world. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next guide. Peace.